Welcome back to 2-Minute Herbs. Today, we focus on the world's most famous soothing flower, chamomile. For centuries, this tiny, daisy-like herb has been the ultimate natural remedy for stress and restless nights. In the next 120 seconds, we discover the science behind the serenity. The secret lies in a powerful antioxidant called Apigenin. This compound binds to specific receptors in your brain that promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia. If you struggle with a racing mind at night, 1 cup acts as a gentle, natural sedative to help you drift off peacefully. Beyond sleep, chamomile is a best friend to your gut. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Furthermore, its natural antibacterial compounds strengthen your immune system, making it a perfect shield during cold and flu season. For the perfect brew, use just 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile per cup. Let it steep for at least 5 to 7 minutes to release essential oils. You can add honey for extra soothing effects. For best results, drink it warm exactly 30 minutes before bedtime. Nature has a rhythm, and chamomile helps you find yours. Which herb should we explore next? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to 2-Minute Herbs for your daily dose of natural wisdom. Medical disclaimer. The information provided on this channel is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any herbal treatment. Onyachaten, especially if you have allergies to the Asteraceae family, like ragweed or daisies, are pregnant, nursing, or are taking blood-thinning medications. Use at your own risk.